Hello, Alex.
Hello Terry, what brings you way out here?
I just thought I'd come out here and talk to you.
That's great, what would you like to talk about?
Well, I would like to talk to you about the day you and Janice got married. Can you tell me about it?
Yes, we can talk about it Terry. But follow me to the railroad tracks, so we can talk while we walk on the tracks.
Well, that sounds like a good idea. Okay, well, tell me, what was it like?
Well, I dropped Janice off at the church while I took the Jeep to get some gas. And when I got back to pick her up, she said that the preacher was willing to host our wedding. And I said great. Then I asked her who the preacher was, and she said, his name was Tony Hill. And then it hit me. I know him, I met him at the drive-in theater where I work. Then I told her I don't trust those bald-headed guys, even if they are a preacher, but that's just me Terry.
Hello. Is anybody here?
Oh, I'm over here.
Oh, there you are. I walked right past you, and didn't even see you there. May I ask what you are looking for?
Oh, well, one of my members said they lost their bookmark. And I was trying to see if I could find it. But, nothing yet. May I help you with something?
Well, me and my boyfriend wants to have a private wedding here, for just our family members. Are you the pastor?
Yes, I am. I am Pastor Tony Hill. And what is your name, and is your boyfriend here?
My name is Janice, but my boyfriend had to go get some gas for the Jeep, and he said he will pick me up as soon as he's done.
Okay, when did you want to have the wedding? And what is your boyfriend's name?
His name is Alex Boat. And we want to have the wedding this coming Saturday.
Oh, I know Alex. I met him at the local drive-in theater. Okay, I would be glad to host your wedding. Do you know how many of your family is attending?
Let's see. My mom and dad. And my brother. And Alex's parents and his aunt and uncle, and cousin. And a good friend of ours is also attending. And so I count a total of 11, including me and Alex.
Wow, that's a few people. Would you like to dress formal or casual? Also, would you like to walk down the aisle with music or no music at all? Or do you just want to be at the front only?
I would rather it be casual, and that we be at the front, and no music. Thank you, Brother Hill.
Oh, you are very welcome. Okay, I will see you all at 10 a.m. Saturday morning. Have a great week, Janice. Tell Alex I said hi.
I will tell him you said hi. Thanks again, bye Brother Hill.
Bye, Janice. Wow. I should have married her, instead of my wife.
Oh, I see. Well, I have a bald-headed friend, and he seems fine to me.
Well, I'm glad for you Terry. Not all of them are that good. But then, I could be wrong. Anyway, We went ahead and got married, and right after he said, "You may kiss the bride," he just suddenly turned into a weird sninny monster, and then he just vanished. We all got out of there real fast. And Janice said, "I'm not going back to this church." Then I said, "I don't blame you, sweetie. I thought something was strange about him."
Wow, that's some strange preacher. He must have been so disappointed and jealous that he just got angry and turned into a monster and disappeared.
I'm glad he disappeared, 'cause I had this weird feeling that he was staring at her. And I was glad it was over.
I would be glad too, Alex. Okay, now tell me, who all was attending the wedding?
Well, let's see. Not counting me and Janice, and that weird preacher, there was Mr. and Mrs. Finger. And their son Johnny, and also, my parents were there, and let's see, oh, and Jack and Diane was there, and my cousin Curtis, and a very good friend of ours was there. His name is Terry Flips. He is a pilot. And now Curtis is also a good pilot.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. A guy named Terry Flip? That's what my name is. There must be two of us. Well, so it seems like we've reached the end of our track, Alex. So I guess I'll go ahead and close. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe. And be sure to click that like and bell button so you'll know when the next video is ready. And also, make some suggestions and ask questions. Okay, until next time. Bye, friends.
Oh, and Terry. Feel free to talk to my wife and Barry. He can't talk, but he can say hi, and ma, and pa. Okay, Merry Christmas everyone.
Thank you, Alex. Merry Christmas, everyone.